mamelana apha andithi nditshilo ku-previous post yami into yoba kumadlanga commission bokunomapiyeye oyibeke yi-chief but ususpendiwe currently. Mamelani uba ufumana njani ke ngoku uKate Matlala ama-blue lights phantsi kwala mcimbi endiwutshilo into yoba uqale ngokuzenzela ama-panels wakhe, was appointela abantu bakhe kuma-high ranking positions. Ayithathe umapiyeye ayiquestione le nto azayi-escalate to i-HR into yoba ayibona kundixakwa ngumuntu apha ethatha ii-powers zam, uyazenzela unothando, uyazi-appointela wenza wonke lo mvinkivinki. Hayi ke i-HR ngathi buye kuye sithi hayi ungawari, ii-powers uzinikezwe isithi wena focusa nje kumcimbi wokuthini woba uza-appointa just your immediate subordinate. Njani? Because umapiyeye uyatsho into yoba in terms of accountability he'll be held accountable for anything that happens within EMPD. EMPD ke ngumasipala lwaseKuruleni. Hayi sharp ke. So it means that after inoba egqibile ukuze uappoint kwenza yonke lonto bekeyenza uJulius Mkhwanazi aze nento engathi memorandum of agreement apha. Le memorandum of agreement wakha ubuhlobo between iCate Protection Services plus EMPD. Hayibo uyazenzela ke phofu ithi lento uKate Matlala. Okay, mandiqale on the other side. I-Ekurhuleni izawufaka ke inoba ezo-blue lights for uKate Matlala and certain benefits as one of ezonto into yoba uKate Matlala uzaphisana in exchange. uKate Matlala uzadonata about 4 cars kwamasipala i-MPD as well as uzababoleka ngoba ingathi abanayo ingathi baxakekile umcimbi we-helicopter for about 2 hours a month. And then mamelani ke where it gets interesting, iCate Matlala Protection VIP or services izaba trained, izakwenza i-tactical training kweliphi icala, kwicala lakwa EMPD. It means that ama-cop wethu wase-EMPD azatrainwa nguKate Matlala. Okay, so yena ke ithi le nto uzawufumana ke certain benefits zona i-blue lights lezo. And then it's appearing as if ezimoto bokuthiwa ingathi uzadonata ngazo uKate Matlala zezi moto zikaKate ezifakwe i-blue light akazazirejistara under imasipala. It means that amatikiti nani wezo moto bezibhatalwa ngubani? Bezibhatalwa ngumasipala. Hayi ke phofu into yoba xa ke senze ezo panels zabe za-appoint abantu mveni uba uchief uthini uthi nami ubeke nama-delegate andithuma into yoba nami zayohlala kuleya sithini. Hayi bafethu uba ngaba besithi uSotobe ungathi unjanjani phaa kwa-SAPS ingathi nguSotobe wase-EMPD uJulius Mkhwanazi. Phofu ke nansi ivideo yakhe I decided ukuyi-uploada where he was denying these allegations, but it looks like this matter comes back, it goes back to 2022 because ifaka nama-state nation address. That's how deep this thing is. Phofu ke uyithathile ke lonto xa ke gqiba kufind out malunga nale corruption yama-blue lights ne-contract akangazazi. Phofu le contract like le nto lena. And the other party that I forgot to mention, enye yezinto iCate VIP Matlala or protection ezazileta apha izaletha ntoni so ba-protect kwabona i-VIP service uzoprotecta bona izikhokho ezi. Hayi ke uxakeke waxakeka apho ezama ukupitaliza nje into engadibani. Hayi uJulius Mkhwanazi uzenzele lapha ya.
No, the municipality didn't lie. There were no blue lights that were fitted by the city. I didn't fit any blue light. The city didn't fit any blue light.
IPRD and the municipality is lying.
No, the municipality didn't lie. The letter of municipality is very clear that the city didn't put any blue lights. You see, I was part of those processes. I didn't put the city didn't put blue lights. You see, I can assure you, you can go to our fleet, you can go to any document, and this is a public institution. Anything that you do, any procurement that you touch, those files belong to public. That documentation that must prove that. We said, come on, go and check the processes and the procedures of the city. Go to procurement and check. Go to fleet and check. There are no blue lights that they were put in the police. That story comes from within individuals that wanted to destroy somebody's name and deal with character assassination.
The two memoranda. The second one on page 131.
No, you're using the wrong numbering again, like me.
Oh, sorry, page 62.
Yes.
JM 12. It appears to envisage not just a donation of vehicles, but a skills transfer and tactical training of EMPD officials by CAT Protection Services. So if you look at the paragraph on page 63, top of the page, Do you see that?
I could see that.
So it
Commissioner.
says CAT VIP will donate motor vehicles to Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department and provide their staff members with skills transfer and tactical training. Now, you having been chief of the EMPD at that time, could such an arrangement be concluded without your knowledge or approval?
It is not supposed to happen. I'm supposed to be knowing if there is any service provider who want to render such services to us. And I will have then to follow the right processes to get that service provider on board.
But you say these are the documents, Brigadier Mkwanazi. He was not brigadier at the time. But these are the documents he produced to justify the reason why CAT Protection Services was using the blue lights.
That is correct, Chair.